Here coming out today with some hauls from several different places, and I'm just going to jump right in. It's been a while since I've done a haul, probably within about the last month. This is probably over a course of a month or a month and a half even. Anyways, so I went back to Hobby Lobby and I picked up these dies here, Spellbinders dies. This one as well. This is probably my favorite die. I got an extra one so that I can have some extra cutouts there. And I won't have to run it through just once. And then this one here. And that's what I got from Hobby Lobby. And scrapbook.com. I went there a couple times. Now, if they have some freebies that I actually like, I'll just go ahead and purchase the freebies. And so one of the purchases, I got this as a freebie here. And this also came in a plastic bag, so they want to really be sure that you don't have no leakage. So that's really great. And then I also got this one here, which is the luster wax. And there it goes. That's like the color of it. It's kind of iridescent. And then this was one of the freebies here. And so what I did was I ended up getting this, and the paper, and that's just what I purchased just by itself. They had all three of those for a freebie once, and I went ahead and got that. Just quick flip through. I really like this paper. It's really cute. And it goes over. It has 36 sheets in there. It's not double-sided. So, and then this one I had been wanting for a while. Gloria had this one, Girliest Cards, and I had been wanting this, and it finally went on clearance, and I was sure to pick it up. So I was so happy about that. And next up we have Honeybee Stamps. So if you see my video a couple Saturdays ago or so, I used this fireplace. Such a great buy, $4. So I picked that up, and here goes the stencil that went with it. And then I also picked up this mini envelope die, and it's kind of big. Maybe I should have taken it this way. There, so you can see that. So that was a great buy too. This was $10. All of this was on clearance. And then I did some shopping over on my favorite things. I had a gift card there, so I wanted to, or discount code, I can't remember, discount code I think. Anyways, I ended up picking up this here, which is the Fine Finish Edge. And then I got these balloons. I had been wanting these balloons for a while, so I was so happy to pick that up. And it's called Balloon Stacks. I wanted a bigger size balloon, so I was glad to get that. And then I love how this looks. The stencil here, which is called Water Wash Freeform. Picked up that one. And then this one here. And that is the Scene Stencil Rolling Hills. I've seen how that was used, and I was just like, I want that. And then this here, I had been wanting this for so long. And so I was so glad to finally get this. So I'm very happy to have that. Tags are my favorite. And so I knew that had to be one in my collection. And then I went over to My Creative Time and purchased a few things. And here we go there. This was on her clearance, and I want to say it was like $7 or something like that. And got that, and I ended up getting this. Actually, that may have been $12. Ended up getting this. I think this was $7, and ended up getting that. So we'll see how I work that one. And then I also picked up these. Oops, let me give you the name of that. This one was called Heart Mud Die. This one is called, I don't know. I don't see the name of that one. But I think this is still in the shop. When I went and got that cup, I think it had one more left. So I don't know if it's still there or not. You can go check and see. This one's the Torn Paper Frame Die Layers. I've seen Emma from My Creative Time use this, and I had been wanting it for a while, so I just went ahead and got those. And then I also picked up the 3x3 envelope die, 3x3 fancy envelope die, and I just used this and made it into a gift box. So if you want to see that, go a video back or maybe a couple videos. I'm not sure when I'm going to post that. And then I also went over to Spellbinders and I picked up this. This was $10 during their big sale. So I had been wanting a bird die, and they have a couple other bird dies, so I might pick that up too. And then I also got these here, and these are the small little paper clips. Got 100 of those in there. Doesn't even look like 100, but glad to have it. And that was $1, I think. And then I picked up this tape here, Easy Glide, 49 feet. And I thought it was a great buy for $1, so I got 6 of those. I think that's it. I may have missed something, but I tried to go back and search because I had put some stuff away already. So I went back and to do the videos and was trying to remember what all I got. So hopefully I got everything. All right, so that is all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. If you have some time, head over to these places, especially Honeybee and My Creative Time. Honeybee has that clearance sale, so you might want to check that out. And of course, My Creative Time, who doesn't love her stuff? All right, so that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.